Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the best 2 deals at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes guys, we got lots to cover today, especially some clearance. We got some golf carts here. It's Coleman DR48VV, $9,993. Got some facts right there. 48 volts battery, charger, electric motor, no assembly required, max weight 1,000 pound. You got $156 per month, total at $1,376. So that's pretty much what you're gonna end up paying for these. These are, raced. They do have all-terrain tires or some sort of all-terrain tires. Got some nice seats. Alright, they got this one on clearance. They got the side discharge push mower. This is $132 there from $189. It's a good deal on this one. It's 125cc. It's gas. And then you got this one. This was a string trimmer. This was a wheeled string trimmer for the heavier duty use. $299 down from $399. Just to reduce $100. You got general chainsaw return policy. Yeah, I was just looking at this because sometimes, they have different policies for each store. And, like this one that requires the original box and all that. So you got the Cobalt 24 volt fogger kit, $45 and from $129. You can get this just for the batteries. $45 for the battery and the charger. That's a good deal. If you're not going to use a fogger, then you can probably just sell it on OfferUp or something. Or if you already have the tools, the batteries, might as well just get a couple more batteries, or a couple battery there, or a battery and a charger for $45. And you got this toy here. It's on clearance. Basically, this is a clearance section, by the way. $19. And then you got this overhead motion with remote. It's a light, $22 down from $30. It's actually a pretty nice light. This is battery operated. That's one thing I did not like about this one. I believe it's the C batteries. That's what it takes. And it's kind of expensive now these days, replacing with, batteries, since you have all these rechargeable lamps and now you have all these, batteries that last a long time, basically. Alright, you got this one. It's a $27.97 down from $34.97. It's a plate, WTX plate, saw plate. And then that's what it looks like. Got 1.5 self-feed bit from Irwin, $34. Now at the other store, I did get some of these really cheap, like I would believe like $5 or $10. And they got these portable blender and toaster down to $8.74. It's actually not a bad deal for these. All right, and then you got this other game. This is an axe game for the kids. I'm pretty sure it's a fake axe. It's not a real axe. So it's $41 down from $49.99. Alright, you got the pressure washers here. I was looking for the one was on clearance. DLT and 6 posted one. I didn't post it because it was just at one store. But yeah, according to what the other team posted, some of these are really going like really low. The Craftsman ones. This was down to $5.95 from $6.29. So I would definitely check your stores or your inventory nearby. I believe it was the 2400 or the 2100 PSI model. Alright, so you got this one down to $4.12 from $8.24. This is recondition, carb kit, plug, and lube. Inverter generator. So that's actually a pretty good deal for this one, concerning the prices that are up right now. And this is the same one but brand new. The other one's reconditioned. So yeah, this one's $5.99. Actually, this one's for the 25. This is the price for the 2500i. Alright, you got some more clearance. You got the Cobalt 80 volt max brushless, $99, down from $149. And make sure you guys read these boxes if they have any stickers or any writing on them. Make sure you guys read them before you buy. I personally like to open up these boxes before I buy. Or you can take it to the cashier and just open them there. Make sure everything's inside. Like this one's missing the manual. But if it has everything else, then it should be good. Alright, you got these toolboxes. These are pretty nice toolboxes. I don't see these in every store. That's why I want to show you guys. This is actually a pretty nice toolbox. So this one's $4.89. And they got the smaller one there for $4.39. That's a 48-inch job site box. And then you got the 32-inch there. A bit smaller. Alright, you got this one, new lower price, $3.58 then for $4.09. A truck box. It's a pretty nice box. Got the organizer, truck box organizer tray. $20 on clearance. These are on clearance on all stores, by the way. Alright, you got the twin tank, or the twin stack, and the pancake style. You got $2.29 down from $2.49 for the twin stack. And then for the pancake style, they call it the tank. It's $1.99. And they got the Boss Stitch battery on clearance. It's a 4 amp hour 20 volt battery. Down to $79.17, down from $99. Alright, we got some deals here. Some Bosch. It's actually not too bad, the deals that they got going on. You got the buy one, get one free. So you buy any, I'll show you guys right now. But yeah, you buy any of the tools and you get yourself a free starter kit. That's actually a really good deal. This was a pretty good deal too. This was a jigsaw blades, and then you got some reciprocating saw blades at the bottom. You got the miter saw. You get yourself a free stand. They still have these deals up, $3.49, and you take that miter saw with the stand. And that's a big miter saw stand too, so if you don't got anywhere to put it. Alright, you got a 6-tool combo kit here. Pretty much a circular saw, sander, reciprocating saw, 2 batteries, in a bag. This is like a tool bag base, a big tool bag with wheels. So it's $4.99 down from $5.49. You got the buy more, save more. You basically buy 300, save 100, which is the best deal. You buy 200, save 50. You buy 100, save 20. Obviously, at $300 is a killer deal because you're getting it 1/3 of the price basically. You're getting 1/3 of the price off. And then they got some decent deals, some decent tools. They got the impact wrench, the smaller impact wrench, the 3/8 impact wrench. They got a full line of tools, inflator. They got everything. You got $12.98. You got some nut drivers, a sleeve, 2-inch bits, and some drilling bits to the right. Some 1-inch bits there to the saw that. All right, this one's the lithium batteries, include charger, and yeah. So it's a 2-tool combo kit for $109, down from $179. And that's the way it looks like. Alright, so that's the deal that they got going on. You basically buy a select power tool, and you get a 4 amp hour battery and starter kit for free. So that's a really good deal now. Same thing, well, this one's a buy more, save more. So on Bosch, you save, you buy $4.50, you save $1.50. You buy up to $4.49, and then so on, so forth. This was a good deal. $209 is down on clearance. This is the kit, guys. It does come with the battery and the charger. I'm waiting until these two drop even lower so I can buy myself one of those. You got $119 for the sander. Got this Black & Decker Power Connect battery. It's a 2 amp hour battery for $39.97, down from $49.97. You got the 20 volt charger, $39.37. You got another battery. It's a 3 amp hour battery, 18 volts Metabo, $35.97. You got the 4 amp hour core 18 volt battery from Bosch, $99. Sometimes they put these on clearance. The 8 amp hour, I've seen it for 99 bucks. $55 on clearance. There's a 3 amp hour battery, down from 139. That's actually a pretty good deal. Really good deal on that one. You got a 1/2 inch impact wrench, $93, down from 149. Got a few of them there. That's the way it looks. Now this is actually lower, guys. $63.27. Just show them this one. Don't show them the other one. Save yourself a couple extra bucks there. You got a circular saw. This is a 6.5 circular saw, $55. This is a 6.5 deep circular saw. That's the way it looks. I always like to double check the tags. Make sure I'm getting the right amount. And they got this one. This one I never seen before. This is a 4-port charger. It's a 18 volt or 36 volt Metabo, down to 119 from 149. It's actually a pretty good deal for somebody that's in the line that does construction. You got the buy more save more from Metabo. You got cordless nailers or Metabo tools, up to $400 and you save $150. So that's a good deal on those. $69 for the circular saw. That was $179. $49 for the quarter circular saw, down from $59. You got this flashlight, 24 volt max cobalt flashlight, down to 23 from 60. That's pretty good. Got a Crest maybe 20, down to 27 from 54. That's a pretty good price for this one too. Never used it though. If you guys, let me know down in the comment section if you guys used any of these tools. If you guys like them, you guys didn't like them. Let me know down in the comment section, or whether you want to get yourself a tool. Let us know that in the comment section. And because a lot of these like are rare. A lot of these tools, nobody, like, I haven't used them, or nobody has experience with these. That way you can help somebody else, you know, make a educated decision whether to buy a tool or invest in a line. It's always good when you guys comment and let us know whether you like the Cobalt, you guys like the Skill, or you guys like the Black & Decker. I personally do not like the Black & Decker, but this is like the first drill that I ever got was a Black & Decker, but that was back in the day, and that was a long time ago. Alright, so they got the buy more save more for this one. It is valid until the 10/19. So same thing with the Flex, especially those black boxes. Those are the newer ones with the stacked lithium. Those are the best ones to get. You got the grinder down to $55.57. This is a Bosch grinder. It's a killer deal, guys, for a grinder. I don't have the batteries, that's why I'm not getting it. But if you buy this, you can select the 18 volt bare tool and get yourself that free 4 amp hour starter kit, and then just get that grinder and have a 2-tool combo kit there for about 150 bucks, or a little bit more, 160 bucks. You got the 2-tool combo kit, $79.57 down from $199. It's actually not a bad deal for this one. Not a bad deal for that. It's a killer deal on that one. You got a angle grinder. This is corded. These are all corded angle grinders. You got the 7 amp to the right. Then you got the 6 amp from Craftsman, 34 bucks. I got some more Flex. These are the black boxes. Like I told you guys, these are the new stacked lithium. Those are 4-tool combo kit for $649. And then they do qualify for the buy more save more. So at the end you're gonna be paying less. So just keep that in mind when you're buying these. They got this light, tool connect all-purpose lights from DeWalt's, $169 there from $199. And then these are on clearance, guys. These are all on clearance. All the Irwin accessories, the tap. That's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.